It's a great pleasure to welcome Mr. Amar Kapoor, CEO of Terra Grande. Mr. Kapoor, heartiest welcome.
Thank you.
We have seen this great project. It's a fabulous villa. Would you like to tell us a little bit more for our viewers about Terra Grande, Rishikesh?
No, thank you for your kind words. Yeah. So this is a 12-acre community which we are building in Narendra, which is just above Rishikesh and only half an hour driving distance from Dehradun Airport. And the beauty about this is that we are only developing 30 homes in this 12 acres. And all the homes over here are facing the Ganges River. So you get a majestic view of the river, and these are all south-facing estates. As you guys probably know, in hills it really matters to have south-facing homes because of the sun. And yeah, each home has been planned very meticulously. If you see around the pictures, the interiors are done in a very traditional and very the context is traditional on what Uttarakhand architecture and interiors is all about.
So, Amarji, how many types of villas do we have in the project?
So we have only two typologies here, a 4-bedroom and a 5-bedroom. And there's an attic in the 4-bedroom, and the 5-bedroom also has an attic. So yeah, and each home has a private pool, which is a heated pool, and large layouts. The bedrooms are large, and we've ensured that the windows are large, so that while you're sitting inside of the house, you actually feel like you can enjoy the views and you can enjoy the outside of the house, views of the house. And on top of that, we have a 10,000 square feet clubhouse, which has all the amenities such as your games room, your large swimming pool, gym, spa, and so on. And then we have certain gardens which we have created at intervals over here, so the homeowners can just walk and enjoy the landscape and everything across the project. Yeah.
Mr. Amar, I see that most of the villas seems to have a swimming pool. Is it a standard feature across all the villas?
Yeah, all homes have a
All homes.
private pool,
Right.
and in fact, all of them are also heated.
They are all heated pools.
Yeah, all heated.
And I also see that there is an ample garden space
Yeah.
across most
No,
of
so we've been very mindful of designing a garden, so the person can actually sit outside and enjoy the great weather and clean air,
Right.
which is also very important
Right,
for
right.
us people living in Delhi now.
Right.
Yeah, so yeah, every home has that facility of a garden and a pool, and there's barbecue spaces which are created
Right.
in the lawn outside as well.
Right.
Yeah.
Many of the would-be residents may want to know what are other facilities like, maybe daily need shops.
So within the community, there's a concierge which will be there. If any homeowner wants to place an order, of anything, we can always help them to fetch it from the local market. On top of that, there's a pretty large ecosystem of convenient shopping or restaurants and all of that stuff which is available in Rishikesh, which is just 45 minutes driving distance from here. And in terms of medical facility, Rishikesh has AIMS hospital, which is state of the art. So in case of any sort of a medical emergency, one can also go over there.
And like Sirmaur, would these be managed villas also? Because
Yes.
many times we
All
visit-
Terra Grande, all homes which we build are all managed homes, so that everything with respect to the facility management and inside and outside will be taken care by us.
So what made you choose this particular spot? Because, I see the passion whenever you start talking about this place, eyes lit up.
After Sirmaur, we realized that the main thing which a homeowner is seeking is proximity to his home in Delhi and airport connectivity. The distance is like something which really made me believe that okay, if we create something unique and beautiful here, there will be a lot of people who will like to opt for this option. And in terms of driving also, everyone knows that the Dehradun Expressway which is getting built. And once that's built, you can reach from Delhi to this place in a matter of 3.5-4 hours. So that's what I think was the main driver. And of course, the views which we have, like I've been searching for land around here for the last 3 years, and I'm yet to come across any land as beautiful as this, with views like this.
It's a beauty. It's
Yeah,
indeed a beauty. What would be your parting note for this session?
No, happy to guys show you guys around, and most welcome to come and have a look. We would be happy to have everyone on board, whosoever is interested.
So, guys, you heard the man. Come, book your car, book your air ticket, book your vehicle. Come here, see the sample villa, book your spot. Things don't wait, and you should not. Signing off for Hill Homes, this is Manoj Vashisht.